was shot and killed. The incident resulted in the death of a 6-year-old, 5-year-old, and 4-year-old. I've seen different ages for this girl.
So that's Little Jet. I haven't figured out. These two actually remind me of the two Black Panthers that held their Black Power fist at the Olympics. So maybe I should find out their names. And then this one, it's got the blue and green eyes. Hey, blue-green. Blue-green. Hey, bluegrass.
The protest first took them to the governor's office, where the governor, Bernard Okalia Bilai, tried to calm tensions to no avail. October 14, 2021.
His left or his right, depending on which side is blue and the other one's green. Trippy.
Police officer in Bo, B-U-E-A in southwestern Cameroon.
So I got a brown, white striped one and a black, white striped one, and then the girl, 4 boys and 1 girl. And she's got breathing problems. I don't want to call her mucus. Maybe karma fire. I don't know. Anyways, just cute pile puppies here, trying to take a nap. Papa, can you just let me sleep? Hi there, blue-green. Blue-green. Oh. Oh, blue-green. You're just a little puppy. Huh? What's this? Alright.